Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. La in shakartum la azidannakum. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. So welcome to all of the students for the new lecture. In this new lecture, we'll learn something different. For example, we were continuing the verb and the past and the present, then we made amr. Now, in between, we will have small pause for today's lectures. It will be different. We'll go back. Then, inshallah, from the next lecture, we will continue again for the new topics. So, what we learned today, I'll explain now. This is the chart. It is in front of you. Okay, Miss, can you call the first student?
Asma, inshallah. Asma, please.
Alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Can you read this full chart?
Laisa, Laisa, Laisu, Laisat, Laisata, Lasna, Lasta, Lastuma, Lastum, Lasti, Lastuma, Lastunna, Lastu, Lasna.
Lasna. Okay, this chart looks like past or mudare, madi or mudare.
For me, I think it's the past.
Yeah, it looks like past, and it is actually not having the meaning of past, but it is looking like past. So we'll learn where we'll use and how we will use. Okay. So for the meaning, as far as meaning is concerned, all the chart is used for not.
Not, yes.
Nafi, not. Negative. As what we used earlier for the Jumlatul Ismiya, which particle we used for Nafi? Do you remember?
La.
Another one?
Laisa.
No, Laisa we never used.
No. La and
Ma.
Ma. Yes, ma nafi.
Ma anta bisadikin. You are not the truthworthy. Okay. Ma anta bisadikin. So what was happening? Anta ismu ma, ba zaida, and sadikin khabaruma. Right? Am I right?
Ma. Yes.
Okay. This ba was zaida actually. Ba. Ma anta bisadikin. Okay. So Laisa. Can you read the sentences?
Khalidun tabibun. Khalid is a doctor.
Okay. Next.
Al-Muslimuna zalimuna. The Muslims are oppressors.
Okay, next.
Ana tabibun. I am a doctor.
You are a doctor. Okay, good. So what is that? Can you explain what does it show us?
This is showing us that it is a Jumla Ismiya and it shows us Mubtada and Khabar.
Very good. So we have Mubtada, Khalidun, and Khabar, Tabibun.
Tabibun. Mubtada is and Tabib is.
Al-Muslimuna Mubtada, Zalimuna Khabar, Ana Mubtada, Tabibun Khabar. So what happens? This all chart is used on Jumla Ismiya. Where?
Jumla Ismiya.
On Jumla Ismiya. It means we will use this chart, but we'll learn how to use it. As we learned, when our fa'il is present, first of all, we'll use it. Okay. So if feminine, if our mubtada is feminine, if our mubtada is masculine, we will choose what? Single, Laisa.
Laisa.
Only masculine. It is singular, plural, musanna, does not matter. Okay?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Same as what we are doing in verb. When our file is present, what we do? We will choose the number one file, fail, and the fourth number. The first
Yes.
and first number and 4 number. Same as we'll do. Number 1, if masculine and either it is musanna, either it is plural, or is it singular, we'll use. And if it is
Laysa.
feminine, we'll use laysat
Lesser.
in that case. Okay, this is number 4. But when our mubtada is pronoun, when our
Okay.
mubtada is pronoun, then this all chart will be followed. If ana, we'll pick lastu. If mubtada is nahnu, we'll use lasna. If the mubtada is huma, we will use laysa. If for the
Laysa.
feminine, laysata. Okay, so what will happen now? The next step, when laysa will start, we will come in the beginning. Observe the change. Can you read?
Laysa Khalidun tabiban.
Laysa Khalidun
It makes-
tabiban. What happened?
It makes the khabar mansoob.
Very good. It makes the khabar mansoob. So the translation is Khalid is not a doctor.
Not a dog.
But what is the difference between ma nafiya and laysa nafiya? The difference, the laysa is having more weight, more
Stress.
stress. It is more surety. Laysa Khalidun tabibun. Khalid is not a doctor.
Khalid is not.
Okay, so ma is also almost same, but laysa is slightly more stronger.
Successful.
Okay, the next one, can you read?
Laysa muslimuna zalimina.
What
It
happened?
makes the zalimuna in the mansoob form, zalimina.
Okay. Next, observe what happened.
This is ana tabibun. Lastu tabiban, because it was pronoun, so we used here lastu.
Very good. So I think the lecture is very simple. So lastu we used because it came in the place of pronoun. Lastu tabiban. I am not a doctor. So now we'll learn another thing. Can you read?
Laysa Khalidun bitabibun. Tabibin.
Please correct.
It is for the, I think, more stress.
Yeah,
And
it
it
is
makes
for
the-
more
the-
stress. Ba is zaida,
For
which
more
is as it was in
Ba-
ma. Next,
Yes. Laysa al-muslimuna bizalimina.
sister, read it relaxingly, easily. Laysal muslimun, completely.
Laysa
Read it slow, but read it correct.
Okay, sorry. Laysa al-muslimuna bizalimina.
Okay, no problem. Next one.
Lastu bitabiban. Tabibin.
You
I
know
am
why
not,
why it is happening. You are in hurry. I don't know in which kind of hurry. Relax. Lastu bi tabibin. Now, sister, mashallah,
Lastu bitabibin.
you are in 40th lecture. So your tongue should not pronounce mansoob after ba harfu jar. Now your tongue, it should answer you immediately that tabiban will never come.
Yeah,
After
Lastu
ba.
bitabibin.
You know why
Yes.
it happens? Because we don't read too much. Then it happens. But may Allah make it easy for us. Okay, so
Inshallah.
let's to be tabib. Now, what the next thing to learn in this all, as we said, Khalidun tabibun, mubtada and khabar. Now we use this jumla ismiya with laysa. Now laysa came. So what we will give these things name? So now we'll name it. Can you read?
Ismu laysa, khabrul laysa.
Very good. Ismu laysa, khabaru laysa. Now the mubtada and khabar rule ruled out because the control taken by laysa. The laysa is the leader. Now it will impose its own law. So what is its law? He says, no, related to me, everything. We cannot say fa'il or maf'ul because laysa is not a verb. So,
Yes.
Laysa Khalidun tabibun, Khalid is not a doctor. So the answer will be in present, even though this all chart, it refers to past. But the answer or the translation, it is for the present. So, always same, Ismu Laysa, Khabaru Laysa. Even this Ba Zaida is there, because it is Zaida, so we will say Khabaru Laysa. Tabib is Khabaru Laysa, even though. Okay. Now,
Place.
can you read that page? Not that full page. Read the first 3 sentences and Miss Habiba will coordinate with you. Okay, Miss Habiba, over to you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes,
Yeah.
dear.
Yeah,
Start
this is
reading.
a dialogue. Hishamin,
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum wa
Sister,
rahmatullahi wa
not
barakatuh.
Hishamin. It is Hishamun.
Hishamun.
No,
I said
please,
Hishamun.
sister. Now it's 4th, 5th time.
Hishamun.
Read the last vowel correctly because all Arabic is dependent on this last vowel.
Hishamun said,
Sister, I will tell
Assalam.
you. Okay. If you say Hashamun, it will work. But Hishamin, it will not work.
Hishamun.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bilalun wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
See, it is wa
Kaifa
alaikum assalam. It is wa alaikum assalam or mussalam.
Wa alaikum mussalamu
Yes.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Kaifa haluka ya akhi manil akhu.
Yes.
Hishamun
What will be the
answered.
translation?
First, he says,
Sir, okay, yes. Okay, read it. Yeah. Sorry.
Hisham said to Bilal, peace be upon you and blessings. Then Bilal answered, same to you, blessings and salam, peace be upon you. Then he asked, how are you, my brother? And Manil Akh, who is this brother?
Man.
Man
Yes.
al Then Hisham answered, Ana mudarrisun jadidun bil jamiati. Ismi Hishamun. Ana min al walayat al muttahida. I am a new teacher in college. My name is Hisham.
University. Jamia is university.
University.
Jamia is university. Yes.
Okay, sorry. I'm a new teacher in the university, and my name is Hisham, and I am from Walayatul Kingdom.
Muttahida.
United Kingdom. More I will read.
Yes, I think no. I think sir has asked you to only up till here, sir.
3.
Yes. Next.
She needs. Okay. She needs to read more, or the next student, please. Okay.
Next student. Okay. I will read. Or next
Aisha
student.
Dania. Thanks, dear. Thanks, Jazakallah khair. The next student will do. Aisha Dania.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes.
بلال أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بك يا أخي. أنا مسرور بلقائك. أنا زميلك. اسمي بلال بن حامد من واشنطن. أنت يا هاشم. يا هشام. Sorry. Welcome, oh my brother. It's nice to meet you. I'm your colleague. My name is Bilal, son of Hamid. Are you from Washington? Oh, Hisham.
Yes, very good.
لا أنا لست من واشنطن. إني من نيويورك. No, I'm not from Washington. I'm from New York.
Okay. Now here, lastu is used. Can you see that?
Yes.
Lastu. Now just tell me, Ana lastu min Washington. Okay. Why this lastu is used over here?
Because Hisham is not from Washington.
No, I'm just asking you why we didn't use the first and the fourth verb. Instead, we've used the mutakallim. Why?
Oh, because it's Ana. Oh, no.
Yeah, because of the pronoun. Because of the pronoun, we are running through the chart, right?
Yeah.
Because of the pronoun. Now, sir will ask you. Sir, do you want to ask anything, sir?
No, continue.
Okay. Next slide, please.
بلال مسلم أبوك يا هشام. Bilal, is your father a Muslim? Oh, Hisham. Hishamun la huwa laysa bimuslimin. No, he's not a Muslim. Bilalun.
Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 sec, please. Now, here tell me why Laysa is used over here.
Because the lamir is huwa. The pronoun is huwa.
Okay. Now, what is this be Muslimin? Be bahar fijr in this. What is this? What is it called when it is used with Laysa? Ba zaida. Ba zaida. Extra. Extra. Okay. So, how will you translate this?
No, he is not a Muslim.
No, he's not. Oh, no, he's not a Muslim. So, do we give the translation for the ba zaida?
No, we don't.
No, we don't. We don't, because it is zaida, it's extra. So when it is extra, you
yeah.
don't have to give any translation for that, but it is used here. So just as sir has explained you, that ba will come, and it puts more emphasis on the sentence. It gives you most emphatic, I should say, right?
Yes.
And what does it do? Does it bring any change in the sentence?
Yeah, it's majrur, like the last.
Not the last, but the khabar.
The khabar, yeah.
We should say the khabar, okay? The predicate will go in the majroor state or the genitive state. Okay, what does the laysa do? What changes does it bring?
It makes the khabar mansub. It makes the khabar
and
mansub.
what else? What else?
It makes emphasis. I mean, it makes the sentence negative.
Yeah, it gives the negative sense in the jumla ismiya. What else it makes? One more thing. It gives the name, the mubtada of the jumla ismiya, its name. It calls it the ismul laysa, and the khabar will be called khabar laysa. Okay, come on, go ahead.
Bilalun wa ummuka muslimatun hiya, and your mother, is she a Muslim? Hishamun la hiya laysat bi muslimatin. No, she's not a Muslim. Bilalun
again here laysat is used. Why?
Because the pronoun is hiya.
Feminine, yeah.
Feminine.
Very good. Okay.
Bilalun alaka abna'un ya Hishamu. Do you have any sons? Or do you have any son? Oh, Hisham. Hishamun. نعم لي ستة أبناء. Yes, I have I have 6 sons. بلال الطلاب هم. Are these students? هشام لا هم ليسوا بطلاب. إن بعضهم تجار وبعضهم مهندسون. No, they're not students. Indeed, some of them some of them are merchants, and some of them are engineers.
Engineers, yes.
Bilalun alaka banatun. Do you have daughters? 1 sec. I can't see.
Under that, just zoom it.
I have a problem on my screen, I guess. Okay, Hishamun نعم لي 5 بنات. Yes, Hisham, yes, I have 5 daughters.
MashaAllah, Jazakallah khair. What did you understand in this? Just give a short recap of the subject we just studied today regarding Laysa.
So Laysa is used for negative sentences to negate a sentence, and it means
you should to be more specific, we should say that to negate a nominal sentence.
A nominal
because
sentence.
It is used,
yeah. So this shirt is used for nominal sentence, and like instead of saying mubtada and khabar, we should like after adding laysa, we should say ismu laysa and khabaru laysa. And if we add, before that, laysa will change the khabar laysa to mansub. And if we add ba on it, on the khabar laysa, then it will become majrur. But ba is the ba zaida, so the like the meaning will not change. The translation will not change.
The translation will not change, but it puts more, it gives more emphasis
More
on the
emphasis, yeah.
sentence, on the, yeah, on the statement. Okay, good, very good. Mashallah, Jazakallah khair.
Iyaki.
Dr. Smita, please. Next slide, please.
Assalamu alaikum,
Dr.
ma'am.
Smita. Alaikum assalam. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, Dr. Smita.
Bilalun mutazawwijatun hunna. What does it mean, ma'am?
Married.
Married. The Bilal says, are they married? Then
He's saying
Hisham,
or he's asking? Is he saying or is he asking? Yes,
He is
question
asking,
mark is there.
question mark. He is asking, are they married? Hishamun says,
Are they all married?
Are you all?
Are you all? No. Are they?
Are they, ma'am? I said they.
Yeah.
Are they
sorry,
married?
I heard you all. Okay.
No. Hishamun says, La hunna laysa bi mutazawwijatin.
Is
No.
it laysa bi? Is it laysa bi? Hunna is used over here. Read it properly here.
La hunna. La hunna. Lasna bi. Sorry. Lasna bi. La hunna lasna bi mutazawwijatun. No, they are not married. Inna hunna sigarun. Indeed,
they all are.
Indeed, they all
Sigar
are.
Is
Sigar.
Small.
Small. Indeed,
Plural.
they all are.
Plural. It's plural.
Sagirun.
What is the?
Sagirun.
Yes.
Sagirun plural. Yes. Indeed, they all are small. Ba'duhunna fil madrasatil the madrasatil biti da
ib madrasatil ibtidaiya
ibtidaiyati. Indeed, they all are small. Some of them are in the madrasa means primary school. Some of them are in the primary school. وبعضهن في المدرسة المتوسطة, and some of them are in the high school, I think
secondary,
and some of them are in the secondary school. Bilal says, Alaka ikhwatun. Ikhwatun, it's plural of plural of sisters, ma'am. Akhun.
Yes. Alaka ikhwatun. Plural. Okay. Now ikhwatun, and one more is their word. If you put kasra on this, it is ikhwatun. If you put the fatha on that, it will become what?
Akhwatun.
Akhawatun, we've read right?
Akhwatun,
what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Ikhwatun and akhawatun.
Akhwatun is for the feminine and ikhwatun is for the male.
Yeah, remember this with the kasra and with the fatha. Okay.
Bilal asked, do we have brothers? Hishamun says, La laisa li ikhwatun. No, I don't have brothers. Inna li talasa akhwatin. Indeed, I have 3 sisters.
Very good. See, you got this. Ikhwatun and akhawatun. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. Yes, alhamdulillah. Bilalun asks, Muslimatun hunna. Bilalun asks, are they Muslims? Wait a second, ma'am. It's not visible. Hishamun says, Na'mu hunna Muslimatun. Yes, they all are Muslims. Walhamdulillah, and all praise be to Allah.
Alhamdulillah. Next slide, please, sir. Only these 3 students. I want more students for the second slide too. I'm calling Ambareen Fatima. Do you want to participate here? Ambareen.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Do you want to participate here, Ambareen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, read it.
Answer the following questions. Min aina Hashimun?
No.
From
Read
where are you?
read the question in Arabic also.
Ajib anil
Ajib.
as'ilatil ayat atiyati.
Atiyati. Okay.
Atiyati.
What? Okay.
Number 1, min aina Hashimun? From where are you, Hashim?
Is it Hashimun? Is it Hashimun? A little carefully.
Hishamun. Sorry.
Hishamun.
Hishamun. Min aina Hishamun? From where are you, Hisham?
Min aina Hishamun? No. Not where are you. Min aina Hishamun?
Hisham. Is that
Where
wrong, ma'am?
is Hisham from? Where is Hisham from?
Where is Hisham from? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's no you. Okay, where is Hisham
You have
from?
to give the answer. You have to give the answer. We just read the lesson, right? Hisham was from?
I joined a little late, ma'am. I went for namaz in between, so
Oh,
I think
okay.
I think I heard Washington. Hisham is from Washington. I'm not sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, 1 sec. I will call one more student. Asma, I think you have done this.
Assalamu alaikum.
Where was Hisham from? Walaikum salam. Where was Hisham from?
Hisham min Washington.
Min
And
Washington.
Min Washington.
Yes.
And-
Be there, Asma. Let her do this and you do the correction, please. Okay. Yes, please. Ambareen, second question. Ambareen, you there? Okay, Asma.
Yes. Second question is min ayya madinatu huwa? From which
Ayyi.
ayyi?
Because min is there, so you can't say ayya or ayyu. Min is there. Okay?
Min
ayyi.
Min ayyi madinatin huwa? From
Huwa.
which city? Hisham in Washington. He
Yes.
is from Washington. Kam uktan lahu? How many sisters he has? This
You just
answer.
said it. Three
Yeah,
sisters. Three
yeah.
sisters.
Lahu talatu akhwatun. Akhwatin.
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 Okay.
Next from down.
Okay. Next question.
Next question is
Wa.
hazil alama amam al jumli tahiyatu tahiyati hazil alama amam al jumli ati laysat tahiyat. Mark the correct statement with tick and incorrect with the cross. First is Hisham in Washington. It is true. Akhwatuhu muslimatun. This is also true. Manatuhu lasna bimatzuzati. Matzujatin.
No. Read it again.
Banatuhu lasna bimatzzawajatin.
Mutazawwi. Mutazawwi.
It is kasra. It is fatha on waw.
No, it is not fatha. Actually, when there is a small kasra under the shadda, like it is kasra. It is not fatha. If the line is above or the vowel is above the shadda, then it is fatha. If it is below the shadda, then it is kasra. Okay, remember this.
بناته لسنا متزوجات Yeah, his daughters are not married. Is it true?
Is this correct or wrong?
This is correct. They are not married.
Yeah. Yes.
أبناؤه طلاب. This is incorrect. His sons are the students. This is incorrect. أمه ليست بمسلمات. His mother is not a Muslima, not a Muslim woman, and this is also correct. Abuhu Muslimun. His father is Muslim. This is incorrect. His father is also not Muslim.
Good. Good. Mashallah. Thank you, dear.
Next, I think.
Aisha. Aisha Dania.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Next slide, please.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
About
Is it
previously,
answered? Yes, please.
about previously the students, when the sisters, when they read, so the first question, it was min aina hishamun, so they should
He was from UK, right?
No, he was from United States, so they should answer United States. And
And then the city was Washington. Yes.
no,
Yes,
he
I
was
was
from
also
New York.
having the. Okay.
He's from New York.
Sorry, actually, I was also not aware of this because I also joined a little. I was also busy, I think, here checking you and all. So I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
Now we'll
Okay.
we'll take care of all these things. I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, dear.
تأمل ما يلي. Learn the following. حامد طالب. Hamid is a Hamid is a student.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do here? What are we going to do here?
We're gonna make the sentence negative.
Yeah, we are going to make the statement negative, and we are using the word laysa. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to give me the translation, give me the mubtada khabar, and give me the like changes what brings laysa in this statement. Okay.
Okay. So Hamidun is mubtada, talibun is khabar. And then Hamid is a student. Hamidun laysa bi talibin. Hamid is not a student. So Hamid is ismu laysa. And laysa is laysa. And then B is the ba zaida, ba. And then talibin is khabar laysa.
Okay, very okay. Then the translation.
Hamid is not Hamid is not a student.
Yes. Next.
الطلاب صغار. The students are young. الطلاب ليسوا بصغار.
Young. I should say small. Okay. Sir, क्या इसको young बोल सकते सिगारुन? Can we say that? Because young is, I think, shabab.
No, we cannot say that.
Yes, we cannot.
Saghirun, small.
They are small.
We don't say this is a small boy.
The students are small.
The students are small.
Young means grown up. Young means young.
Yeah, there's a different word for that. Yes. Please.
Yeah.
Jazakallah khair, sir.
Young is shabun or fatan.
Okay.
Fatan.
الطلاب okay. الطلاب is مبتدا, صغار is خبر. The students are not. The students are small. الطلاب ليس. Yes. الطلاب ليسوا بصغار. بصغار.
بصغار. Okay.
الطلاب is اسم ليس and ليسوا is ليس. B is با زايدة. صغار is خبر ليس.
Okay. Now just tell me, like if I use laysa in front of at-tullabu, what will be the sentence like?
ليس الطلاب بصغار. ليسوا ليس الطالب بصغير.
No, like if we are using laysa in front of this mubtada, then the mubtada will be the same, but laysa huwa form we will be using. like the verb we are using,
Oh,
huwa or hiya, right?
okay. Yeah.
Laysa tullabu bisigharin. We can use it
ليس
like that.
الطلاب.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The students are not small. آمنة طبيبة. آمنة is مبتدأ, طبيبة is خبر. آمنة is a doctor. آمنة ليست بطبيبة. آمنة is اسم ليس. B is بزايدة. طبيبة is خبر ليس. آمنة is not a doctor.
Okay. Do one more.
الفتيات متزوجات. الفتيات is مبتدأ, متزوجات is خبر. The young women are married. الفتيات لسنا
Girls. Actually, girls. We should say
girls.
girls. Okay.
Okay, the girls are married. الفتيات لسنا بمتزوجات. الفتيات is اسم ليس, and B is بزايدة. متزوجات is خبر ليس. The girls are
Now,
not married.
Okay. What rule did you deduce from this? What rule did you deduce from this? Like you've done 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences just now.
So the rule which I didn't use?
No. Deduce in the sense, like, what did you get? Did you get any
Oh.
rule in this?
Yeah, there is like okay, so ba is changing the khabar laysa,
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Like more prominent, what did you get in this?
So the mubtada, like the ismu laysa, is in the beginning.
No, if the mubtada is ism zahir, then you should use what? If the mubtada is ism zahir, and if you're using laysa in front of the mubtada, like if you're using before the mubtada, and if the mubtada is ism zahir, then you'll be using either huwa for the masculine or hiya for the feminine. Right? But if the mubtada is there and you are using laysa afterwards, it should go accordingly, according to the gender and according to the number also. Now check this, at-tullabu laysu. Instead, if I'm using laysa in front of at-tullabu, I wouldn't use this laysu. I will use laysa tullabu bisigharin. Okay? Keep this in mind. Okay?
Inshallah.
Jazakallah khair. Dr. Smita.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Alaikum salam. Yes.
Anta kabirun. Anta is mubtada, kabirun is khabar. You are a big.
You are
Anta
big, yes.
Anta lasta bi kabirin. You are not a big. Anta
okay, now just tell me why this anta is in the bracket.
Because it's a pronoun, ma'am.
Yeah, but why is it kept in the bracket?
If it's a pronoun, then we should use the direct.
Yes,
words,
you have to. Yes, you have to pick the verb from the chart. Okay, no need of putting this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So anta lasta is the ismu.
You are not, huh? Ismu laysa.
Ismu laysa. I forgot that.
In this will say anta is the ismu laysa.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Anta is Anta is ismu laysa. Lasta bi kabir. Lasta is for the to negate the sentence nafi. Bi kabirin is the khabru laysa.
Well, okay.
Antum jududun. If it is for the jama for the masculine, you all are new. Antum lastum bi jududin. No, you all are not new.
Why did you say no? You all are not new.
Sorry, you all are not new.
You don't have to say no and all because no.
Okay. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Antum is the ismu laysa. Lastum is a nafi, and B jududin is the khabru laysa. Anti fakiratun. It's for the feminine. You poor. Am I right, ma'am? Fakiratun means poor. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Miss Habiba. Miss Habiba, are you there? I think she got maybe call. Okay, Dr. Sumita. Anti
Fakiratun.
fakiratun. Okay.
Anti fakiratun. Fakiratun means poor, sir.
Poor, yes.
It is for the feminine. So you are poor. Anti lasti bi fakiratin.
Very
Anti. It is the ismu laisa and lasti is nafi and bi fakiratin is the khabru laisa.
No.
You are not a.
1 minute. Is Dr. Miss Habiba explained like that here in this portion?
Yes, sir. Anti is the ismu laisa and
No. Hamidun, it is mubtada, and laisa bi
sir.
talibin, it is khabar. Miss Habiba
Yes, sir.
explained the way that it is still ismu laisa. Are you sure?
Sir, Hamidun. Sir, yes, sir. Hamidun is a ismu laisa and laisa bi tabibin is the.
No. As Miss Habiba explained like that, can someone assure me? Aisha, can you assure me?
No. The lesta is just the you see the
It is just a
the
nafi,
sign
sir.
of negation
No.
and be
1 minute. Did Miss Habiba explain this point, that what is the i'rab of this sentence?
Yes.
No. What is the status of Hamid? It is mubtada, khabar, ismu laisa. What is that, Aisha?
It's Ismu Laysa.
Huh?
Ismu Laysa?
No. No, I think Miss Habiba missed that point. Miss Habiba, are you there?
Yeah. you missed it.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir. Ji,
Did you
boliye.
explain that point?
Which one, sir?
This Hamidun, what is here Hamidun?
Hamidun here is mubtada, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Laysa bitalibin.
It is khabar.
And laysa khabar is bitalibin, and laysa is here the ismu laysa will be huwa.
Simply, wait, hold on. As when the verbal sentence, how Aisha, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Do you remember how we make verbal sentence to nominal sentence? What is the procedure?
Like the verb, we convert verbal to nominal.
Like daraba,
Yes.
Hamidun,
Oh.
Khalidan.
so-
If we want to make that sentence to nominal, what we do?
Hamidun. Wait,
Can I, sir?
Hamidun daraba Khalidan.
No, are you just using your hit and trial method, or do you really remember?
May I, sir?
Yes.
So the file will bring in the beginning, sir.
Yes,
And the,
file will bring in beginning. What it will be?
And the
Hamidun,
Hamidun,
daraba
Daraba,
Khalidun. Now,
Khalidin.
Hamidun
Khalidin.
became what? Mubtada.
Mubtada.
This all
Daraba.
sentence became khabar.
Khabar, sir.
Okay, now in this sentence, daraba, it has pronoun inside. What? Huwa, which is representing its mubtada. Because when we make jumla failiya to ismiya, and file become in the beginning. So now the sentence, the khabar has to follow mubtada. This same rule applied here. If the sentence was, I think Miss Habiba missed it completely to explain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was very important.
Sorry.
It is.
Yes, sir. I missed it.
No problem.
sorry.
We'll explain it. No problem. So what happens? Actually, the same as in the verbal sentence. As in the verbal sentence, what we were doing, we were bringing file in the beginning, and then all the sentence will become khabar. Here, in this exercise, the teacher wanted to explain us the same thing, that Hamidun Talibun, if you apply Laisa in the beginning, Laisa Hamidun Taliban, okay? Now, you want to make, remember this Laisa is verb, okay, sister?
Yes.
This Laisa
Yes,
is
sir.
what?
Verbs.
It is verb, but this verb is a different type of verb. It don't have mudare, okay? It is not even representing the time also, that when something happened. Even though it is not telling the time, it is not having mudare, it is not having amr, but still it is a verb, okay? So that's why the rules of verbs are still intact. You are observing that if the plural mubtada, then we are having mubtada, plural mubtada, then we'll bring laysa. If wahid mubtada, will bring laysa. If zamir, we will follow the chart. So that's why now laysa hamidun taliban, this sentence is completely what? It is a verbal sentence still, but there is some restriction. We are not using file and maf'ul. Still, you have to go through this full, because this laysa, it is from the one family. This family we will learn later on, after maybe 5 or 6 or 7 lectures. You will come to know in detail something about that. Okay, so the same thing he want to tell, that if we keep Hamid in as mubtada, then khabar will bring laysa bi talibin. Now this full sentence is khabar. Now in this khabar, this sentence, how we'll explain? We'll say the laysa, it has hidden ism inside huwa, which is representing Hamid. Okay, the same.
Yes.
That's why at-tullab, it became mubtada and khabar is following tullab. Okay, that's why it became laysu, because this sentence is a khabar now, and khabar has to follow mubtada in what? In numbers, in gender. Okay, that's why at-tullabu laysu bi sigharin. Now hum, the ism hidden inside, and bi sigharin, it is khabaru laysu, and this full sentence is as khabar. If we want to make the sentence is normal, now what will happen? It will become laysa tullabu. Now see, we have removed laysu. We brought back laysa, because laysa talibu tullabu bi sigharin. Okay, you got it, Dr. Smitha and Aisha?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes, please.
So now, after making the sentence "Laysa tullabu bisagharin," so now the at-tullabu is ismu laysa and bisagharin is
Yes,
khabaru laysa.
exactly. Now it is ismu laysa and bi sigharin khabaru laysa. And when a tullab will bring, what we'll say? We want to make the sentence as nominal. So what we'll do? We'll bring a tullab as mubtada, and laysa, it will follow the number of mubtada now. Then it will become laysu. Clear?
Yeah, and will it become nominal sentence or will it still be verbal sentence?
No, what is the definition of nominal sentence? Answer is in your definition.
It starts with a noun.
Yes, any sentence starts with the noun is called what? Nominal sentence. Any sentence starts with verb is called verbal sentence.
Okay.
Okay, so in this exercise, the teacher actually wanted to explain that point. Actually, I missed because I was checking some things. So I missed because I was Miss Habiba was taking care very good. So I thought she will inshallah explain it. But suddenly it's mean, Miss Habiba, you received a call or what? Yes, Miss Habiba, you received call? Miss Habiba, are you there? Okay, I think she had some issue. So it's mean her internet issue brought something good for us. Right, Aisha, daughter?
Yes.
Yeah, otherwise this point,
so that we don't miss this point.
this point was very important, very, very, very important in this point. If you have skipped it, khalas, because this Laisa, I think we will not repeat maybe until the end. Okay, so we'll just see if there was something. Yeah, see, here also is same thing. Banatuhu lasna bi mutazawwijatin. Why? Banatuhu mubtada and lasna bi mutazawwijatin, it is complete khabar. Ummuhu mubtada, laysat bi muslima. This is khabar. Why? Because banatuhu, it's plural, and lasna is following the mubtada. Ummuhu mubtada, laysat, it is khabar, following its mubtada. Because laysat wahid muannas, right, sister?
Yes.
That's why this banatuhu lasna bi mutazawwijatin. Ummuhu laysat bi muslimatin. We'll go back if something is there. See here also, la hunna lasna bi mutazawwijatin. Hunna is mubtada, lasna bi mutazawwijatin, it's khabar, complete. That's why lasna is having ism hunna inside, as we learned in verbal sentence. Here in this sentence, same, hum laysu bi tullabin, hum mubtada, laysu bi tullabin, it's khabar, it's mubtada, it's khabar, and laysu, hum, it's inside. Okay, alhamdulillah. So I think the distraction in Ms. Habiba's internet brought something good for us. Okay, so same here, lastu bi mudarrisin. Now, if you have sentence lastu bi mudarrisin, if I want to say, you please make it nominal, what you will do? You will bring ana outside in the beginning. So now this ana will become mubtada, same as we were doing in verb. Now you remembered Aisha or Dr.
Yes,
Smita?
I remember.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the same rules. So nothing, only the thing is new is that ismu laysa and khabaru laysa. This is something new. Otherwise, all the rules are same. And khabaru laysa, it is mansub ba zaida. And laysa, it creates minus not, the meaning in not. Okay. Miss Habiba, are you there?
Yes, sir. Am
So
I
please-
audible?
Yeah, now please continue from there.
Okay, sorry, sir, for
No
a big
problem.
mistake. Subhanallah. Yes, please. Who's with me? Is it Aisha or Dr. Smita?
I think
It's
we
me,
both
ma'am.
are there.
Dr. Smita, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please carry on, dear.
Rewrite the following sentences using Lysa.
Mhm.
Al-Babu Muglakun.
Hmm.
Al-Babu is a mubtada, Muglakun is a khabar. The door is closed.
Hmm.
So using Lysa, it will be Al-Babu. Al-Babu Lysa bi Muglakin.
Very good. Al-Babu laysa bi muqlaqin. Okay.
The door is not closed.
Okay, now give me the ismu laysa and the khabaru laysa.
Ma'am, when it doesn't have ismu laysa, khabru laysa, al-babu will be the khabar and laysa bi muglakin will be the khabar.
No,
ma'am.
al-babu will be the mubtada, laysa bi muqlaqin will be the khabar. And inside
Will be
laysa, there is a hidden pronoun over there.
Acha, hidden pronoun will be the huwa, ma'am.
No, you
That-
people are, again, you misunderstood the concept of teacher. He just want us to use laysa.
Yes.
So he wants
So
us
we
to
should
do
we
that.
use it? Should we use it before or should we
No,
use
no,
it
no.
after the mubtada?
What
Okay.
he's saying,
Because-
adkhil laysa alal jumali.
Yes, sir. But
What does it
actually,
mean? It
in the previous slides, we were using after the mubtada. So I was confused in that.
No. You understand the
Okay.
question. Adkhil laysa alal jumali latid. What does it mean, adkhil? Adkhil mean use it. Use it not in the beginning, in the middle. It means bring in the beginning and follow the changes.
Okay.
Laysa al babu bi
Mhm.
Muglakin.
muglaqin. Simple.
Okay. Okay, now here you can make the ismu laysa and the
Yes,
khabru laysa.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Al-babu
Now
will
this
be
is
the ismu laysa and bi muglakin will be the khabru laysa.
okay.
Al-ma'u baridun.
Hmm.
Al-ma'u is the mubtada, baridun is the khabar. Al-ma'u is means water, and baridun means it's hot or cold, ma'am.
Cold, cold.
Cold. The water is cold. So we're using Laisa. Laisal ma'u Laisal ma'u bi baridin. So al-ma'u will be the ismu Laisa, bi baridin will be the khabru Laisa. The water is not cold. Hishamun maridun. Hishamun is a mubtada. Maridun is a khabar. Hisham is sick. Laisa Hishamun bi maridwin. Hishamun will be the ismu Laisa. Bi maridwin will be khabru Laisa. Hisham is not sick.
Okay, one sec. Okay. Now, just tell me, is this the only way to negate the sentence? The jumle ismiya, is this the only way?
No, ma'am.
Using Laisa, I'm asking. Using Laisa, not the ma and all. I'm just asking, using Laisa, is this the only way?
To negate nominal sentence or the verbal sentence, ma'am?
To negate the nominal sentence using Laisa. We've just studied one more thing. Instead of using ba zaida, we can still use the Laisa in the sentence and negate the sentence.
Yes, by
and
making
make the
only
khabar
the khabar mansub, ma'am.
mansoob. Here the khabar was majroor, right? Actually, it is mansoob only, but using the ba zaida, so we brought it into the genitive case. So without using ba zaida, just make it here Hishamu maridun.
Okay, ma'am. Laisa Hishamu maridan.
Laisa Hishamun maridan or Laisa Hishamun bi maridin, right?
Bi marid. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more, please.
Abi naimun. Abi is a mubtada and naimun is a khabar. Abi, my Abu Abi. It's a father. My father is naimun. My father is sleeping. Sorry, sleeping.
Yes.
My father
now, what
is
sleeping.
Abi?
What is Abi here?
Sir, it is a asma special nouns, ma'am.
Yes, special nouns. What are special nouns? How many are there?
There are 5, ma'am. 5 number.
Okay, why are they categorized as special nouns? Why are they categorized as special nouns?
They come as the beginning of the sentence and they take a place of a mudaf.
Because when they appear as mudaf, they do change the state in the rafa form and in the
in the mansub form and in the majrur form. In all the 3 forms, they get changed. Yes.
Now, just give me the state here. Irab of Abu here. Abi, Abba.
Irab of Abu, Abba, Abi. It is a majrur, ma'am.
Is it Abi majroor?
It is mubtada, sister. It is mubtada.
Sir, Irab. Irab, man is asking Irab.
No, I'm asking. Yeah, marfu. Abu and ya.
Abu plus ya mutakallim. This ya mutakallim has forced this. Abi, my father.
My father.
Abi naimun, my father is sleeping.
It is in marfu.
Laysa abi bi naimin, my father is not sleeping. Okay, Sister Viva will stop it here because 1 hour is already completed. So the remaining, you can do this practice with the class if you wish to do so. You can repeat there the same chapter. So and you can bring examples from Quran because Laysa is used in Quran, mashallah, in good numbers. So you can bring examples from there. So the sisters can, because our main purpose is Quran. So this Medina Arabic is only a support. So that's why in the previous lectures also and in the future also, I am not using Medina Arabic because it takes the precious time which we have to spend on our grammar learning. Yeah, before in the previous lectures, wherever the support of Medina Arabic was required, we injected. So today also, it required the support, we injected it. So in the future, if we feel that there is some support to help the students, we will inject. But actually, Medina Arabic is a complete separate study, which can be done after learning the basic grammar rules. Maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows much, Allah knows all the ghaib. all the future, all the present, all the past. Maybe I will plan Medina Arabic program, a separate program, fully only Medina Arabic program. Maybe, Allah knows the best. So, but whatever we done previously, it was good, alhamdulillah. And in the future, we will just bring the examples from Quran. Now, because your Arabic learning is getting into next phase, which is technical changes. So in these changes, we cannot use Medina Arabic because it will take too much of us, the time from us. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. Thank you very much, Ms. Habiba. May Allah give you jaza. Thanks to all students for coming here and joining us. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.